Okay, yeah.
The questions are for Priya or Priya, right? So I'll take a leave because I have another meeting and she'll follow me. Because we'll be late. As it is, we shouldn't be late here. So, this is the way we do it.
Can this be the last question? Because I have to leave.
Hello, Priya. I'm from Ranva. I think you know it's a heritage area.
Of course, yeah.
The most important thing which I would like to point out is about the fire hydrants.
Yeah.
There are no fire hydrants anywhere. If they are there, they are submerged into the road. The point one is that we had a major fire in our area, and the fire brigades couldn't come in. There was no way of
Yes.
putting this and all that. The second point is that you say that car-free day is your favorite, achievement or whatever. Can you help us in Ranva to make it a car-free lane?
In
And
fact,
if you do that, you will be in the league with all the European countries.
Sir,
and you all are not giving us support as Asif gave us. It is you and Baba who never supported us.
you can ask Asif. I'm going to really take
This
it
is
to
a
task for that.
major point.
In fact, I was the one, I said the Ranvar should be made only pedestrians and no cars should be around because everybody's taking a shortcut from there.
Yeah, because of the
Correct?
ceiling. Yeah.
Yeah, because of the ceiling. And
Okay.
I had suggested that, Asif,
This project has been done by none other than Sameer and Rinka De Monte. They have given us a beautiful setup.
yes.
We had
And they
Asif.
in fact, they had come to me. We were so excited about the entire project. We said, I will support you in every way.
And thanks to Asif, it was because of him,
Yes.
our squares done with those cobblestones,
Cobblestones, yeah.
which no other place has it. And if you can help us to get this thing, because we did a survey, more than 95% of the traffic in that lane is not from the area.
there. That's
So
what we want to know.
please
If you
help
all
us.
support in that area,
We are all
we
supporting
will
it.
try and push that through.
Now
for sure.
the road has not been done up for so long. We've been this. Karen has been. I'm with Karen going to her. They say that the contractor will come.
I
This
think
thing,
they're
that thing.
working,
But along with that, we need to talk to the contractor about the fire systems, the wire.
Yeah,
this
all,
thing,
all that will happen, sir.
But I would be very happy if you could make this a.
I
this
am
thing.
completely with you on this, completely, and
So-
we'll work on that for
So
sure.
can we do this? Can I ask Sameer and Rinka and come to meet
I've,
you?
I've
and
met
we-
them also many times, and I think I'm completely for it. And I was, in fact, really had suggested that this should become a car-free zone.
You know,
But we need the residents coming together.
we
for
are
that.
all
Yeah.
there, and
Yeah.
if you do not know that in November 2012 issue of the Lonely Planet magazine,
Yeah.
Ranva Square has been pictured over there.
Yeah.
And that's what we are trying to do.
Of
if
course.
you are its heritage, help us out.
Anytime,
And please,
anytime.
Please make this project which Sameer and Rinka has
Yeah.
used so many hours of theirs to be
Yes.
a reality. Please. That's all I ask. And a fire hydrant.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Sunil Mendes. This is regarding the law and order situation at the Bandstand Promenade. I'm a regular walker out there, and what I do notice is there are hutman dwellers, or whatever you call them, extorting money from the couples at the promenade. And the time taken, if you call a cop on 100 or 103, is more than half an hour. Okay, if there's a problem where couple is being extorted. The second half of this is the violation of a citizen's right. If he's sitting with his spouse, girlfriend, whatever, at the promenade, the cop calls him, asks him, what are you doing here? And sometimes he's greeted with an unexpected slap. Now, what is the right of a cop to actually slap a tax-paying citizen who's sitting and enjoying the sea face when the extortionist is not being slapped in the same way in the public, face of the promenade? That's
Not-
first.
yeah.
The second thing is, since you're, latched on to women's safety, I guarantee you, whether it's a woman or a man, you dial 100 or 103, the time taken for a cop to actually appear there is more than 45 minutes. In 45 minutes, God knows what else can happen, Ms. Priya. Thank you.
First of all, I think this kind of moral policing is something none of us, it's completely unacceptable. And I have to say, with the new police commissioner, things are will change pretty drastically, and he is very proactive, and I think his focus is just that, to ensure that there is no moral policing, there is no attacking of couples sitting all over the place unless there is some indecent exposure or that kind of violation. But I assure you, things will change, and it really all depends also on the police commissioner you have in the city and the kind of leadership you have, so that the others will follow suit. So it will change. It will change, and I'm very hopeful. And thank you very much for your time. I know. I think it's nearly 2 hours that you have spent here. I'd really like to thank you for your time, and it's and all your support always. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, I think you need to give Priya, Baba, the 4 councillors up here a big hand. They stood by us. We need to stand by them, and that's my message. I will ask our president of Salsett Catholic Cooperative Housing Society